In the previous video, we looked at the most unsuccessful products for selling on marketplace. You shouldn't sell seasonal items. You shouldn't sell medical equipment. From the very beginning, you shouldn't sell things that are too heavy and so on. What are the coolest, most lucrative niches for selling on marketplaces? And today, we're going to dive into that very question. My name is Katya. I've been selling on Amazon FBA in Europe and the USA since 2018. Let's go. The first category is aesthetic safety for children. Child safety is a big trend right now. These aren't too heavy or bulky products. No special certification, no contact with food, no contact with skin, not too cheap a product, so that there's still some margin left. Parents are willing to pay $35 to $45 for a safety kit. So all the pros are there. It's a great category. Use the idea. The second great category is post-workout recovery. And no, we're not talking about dumbbells that are too heavy or about resistance bands, which are way too competitive. We're talking specifically about recovery, foam rollers, acupuncture mats, and myofascial release balls. There's room to stand out with design or slightly more premium quality. This is still a very cool trend that's here to stay, and people are ready to spend money in this niche. Customers, on one hand, are demanding, picky, and will give you 1 star if something's wrong, but they are ready to spend money. And if you make a good product, they'll appreciate it. The third great category is urban gardening and plant aesthetics. Instagram and TikTok, everyone wants their apartments to look aesthetic and photogenic. For example, pots under a stylish glass dome, mini tool, kits, and other gadgets specifically for growing plants in your apartment. The next category, niche notebooks, stylish ones for journaling or self-reflection techniques, thoughtful planning. It's a huge trend. There's a huge influx of videos on YouTube right now about all these mental. Journaling is at the forefront of them all. So all the benefits of this category remain. These are small items at a good price with sufficient margins and room for differentiation. Can create various designs both on the outside and inside. There's a lot of room for creativity and creative marketing here. The next category I call the eco-friendly kitchen. Wraps for food storage, zip-top bags, compostable trash bags. The eco theme is currently sweeping the globe, especially in Western countries. Packaging eco-friendly. Another theme around which you can build a very strong brand is tea and coffee rituals. There's a lot of room. Coffee lovers and tea enthusiasts are very loyal people. If they like the quality of your products and the design, they'll stay with you for a long time. If you're planning to get into marketplaces for the long haul, then pay attention to this category. Another fantastic category is everything related to good sleep. It's a major problem right now, and anything that helps people solve this problem is in high demand. And the final category is Montessori-style educational toys. There's still plenty of room. You can combine toys in different ways, and every new set, it creates some uniqueness. It's about trial and error. You can launch 10 new products and only 3 of them might take off, but the ones that do will sell a container a month. Marketplaces provide us with a sales volume that we couldn't even dream of 30 years ago.